We all are aware that, most people nowadays prefer truly wireless earbuds, but the neckband style category is still pretty popular in certain circles. That's primarily because they're pretty comfortable for a lot of people, and of course, you don't have to fear losing them like you would a truly wireless earbud. And one brand that's been persisting with this category is OnePlus. They launched the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z first, and after that they launched the Z Base Edition, and now they have the Bullets Wireless Z2. Now, if you're an avid fan of music and audio products, then you must subscribe to Trakin English. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. Also, maybe even like and comment for the sake of YouTube algorithm. And if you don't know me yet, I'm Eshad, you're watching Trakin English, and this is our detailed review of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. That's quite a mouthful. Now, I'd like to jump right into the brass tacks and talk about the sound signature. Now, these earbuds now come with the largest drivers that OnePlus has ever used in a pair of earphones. They have 12.4mm drivers in each housing, and they support two audio codecs, which is SBC and AAC. Unfortunately, no support for aptX or LDAC. And as it goes with most OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z products, these are extremely bass heavy. The sound signature is properly V-shaped with an extra emphasis on bass and treble. Now, the moment I put this in my ears, they were an assault on my senses. I'm not really a fan of this kind of sound signature. Essentially, in most music, the bass bleeds into the mids and therefore creates this auditory masking effect, which sort of drowns out the vocals in most of the songs. Even in a well-recorded song like Pasuri from Coke Studio, you really cannot listen to Ali Sethi's fantastic voice. The sound staging is pretty so-so, but the imaging is very good, and OnePlus has definitely done a good job with reducing the distortion at high volume, which existed on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Now, clearly OnePlus knows its audience, and it is aimed at those folks who like to listen to a lot of EDM or hip-hop or pop. And if you want to listen to, more melodious songs, or if you're listening to a lot of Bollywood tracks, or if you're listening to classical music, these definitely don't cut it. You have to look for the Oppo Enco M31, which I still think is the best sounding pair of truly wireless earbuds under ₹2,000. I did try the Wavelet app to EQ the sound, and I reduced the bass by a huge margin. But it did make a very big impact, primarily because the bass quality is not great to begin with. It's very woolly in nature. Although it does open up the vocals a little bit, so you might be better off actually using the Wavelet app to EQ the sound. By the way, if you're wondering, there is no active noise cancellation on the Bullets Wireless Z2. And battery life on the 200 mAh battery inside the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 is actually where OnePlus kicks it out of the park. I got about 27 hours of music playback at about 70-80% listening volume, and that's very close to OnePlus's claim, which states that you can get about 30 hours of continuous playback at 50% volume. And that's not it. The Bullets Wireless Z2 also supports fast charging, and you can get 20 hours of continuous playback with just 10 minutes of charging. Now, if you're using a OnePlus phone, you do get a fast pairing sort of solution where it instantly recognizes the Bullets Wireless Z2 and instantly connects to your phone. But Google's fast pair solution, which connects any Bluetooth headphone to any Android phone instantly as a card pops up, that thing is not available for the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. You will have to long press the middle button, put the earphones in pairing mode, and then connect to your Android phone, or even iOS for that matter. And what I do like are the controls laid out on the earbuds themselves. You get a main center button, and which is flanked on either sides by the volume up and volume down buttons. The center button can also double up to actually fast forward the song, or change to the next song, or go back to the previous song, or even put it in pairing mode like I mentioned before. And when it comes to the design of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2, it's actually been more refined compared to the previous version. It's got this nice soft silicone, and the neckband doesn't graze around your neck. It feels very soft, and of course the housings themselves actually fit very well in my ears for sure, and they were very comfortable for long listening sessions too. I didn't face any issue. Plus, you get IP55 rating for when you want to take them out for an exercise. By the way, if you're planning on buying these for gaming, it doesn't support any special low latency mode. Therefore, you have to live with Bluetooth's age-old problem of audio video latency. I would suggest that if you are actually somebody who likes playing games, stick to wired solutions. 0 ms latency is better than any latency. Now, talking about the mic, it's pretty average fare. I mean, it does fairly decent environmental noise cancellation, but it's not very loud. And the person on the other end, when I was on the call, couldn't hear me clearly. Anyway, I have recorded some audio for you guys. Take a listen for yourself and let me know what you guys think.
Hello, this is a mic quality test on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. Let's see how it sounds.
So overall, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 are a pretty decent pair of neckband style earphones, I'd say. I'm pretty certain that OnePlus will price it under ₹2,000 because OnePlus generally prices its accessories right. Now, let me be clear. this is not meant for me. I am an audiophile. I don't like the kind of sound that you get out of these. These are clearly meant for somebody who prefers a lot of bass in their sounds, listen to a lot of EDM, and doesn't care about any other genre of music. And of course, for somebody who wants a really, really long battery life. That's the huge upgrade in the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2. So yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2? Let me know in the comment section below. I prefer the Oppo Enco M31 over these better, but of course, they don't offer this kind of battery life for sure. So that's it from me. I'm Arshad. You're watching Trakin Tech. Keep tracking and stay safe.